Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to fix YouTube says something went wrong on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open settings on your iPhone, and from here you are going to select AirPlay mode. As you can see right at the top, you simply want to toggle it off and toggle it on after 10 seconds. The other thing that I would recommend you do, depending if you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, if you are connected to the mobile data, I would recommend that you toggle it off and then turn it back on. And also, if you are using Wi-Fi, I would recommend that you simply tap on the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to. Then once on the page, you are going to tap on Forget this network, and then enter your login information again and try again. The other option that I would recommend you do, if it is still not working, I would recommend that you scroll down, tap on General. Then after selecting General, you are going to tap on iPhone Storage. Once you have selected iPhone Storage, you are going to scroll down until you see YouTube. And from here, you are going to tap on Offload App. Then you are going to simply tap on Reinstall App. And you are going to turn off your iPhone and turn it back on and see if you are still having the same problem with YouTube. If you are still having the same problem, the other option that I would recommend you do is come back again in General. Then you are going to scroll down. And from here, you are going to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you are going to tap on Reset. And you are going to simply tap on Reset All Settings right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that one of these steps were able to help you to fix YouTube keeps saying something went wrong on iPhone.